In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a hookah. So, if you are experienced person with a hookah, it's very basic video. But if you never make a hookah, I will show you from the beginning till the end. First, I'm gonna show you what do you need to make a hookah. Let's start with the first parts. So, first thing, you need aluminum foil, or you can use instead of that the pre-made head lids. Second thing, you gonna need tobacco or معسل, which looks like this. You gonna need coals, and any brand can work. There's too many brands. The better ones are the coconut ones, or anything from pine tree. Then you're gonna need something to put the coals in. This is the body of the hookah, and it has this piece here to make it easier to attach to the glass. This one is the glass, and make sure to measure where you fill the water in the glass. So as you see, this one is to here, and it should be the end of the body goes like 1 inch under the water, or 2 centimeters, not more, not less. You need a hose like this. You need a plate. You need a tongue. This is to move the coals. This is another piece that attached to the end of the hose, and so you can put it in the body of the hookah. And you need a head. There's many types and many shapes. The better one are the flat, wide, and deep. So yeah, there is also pieces like this, so you can clean the body from inside. This is you can use it as a cover if it's a windy outside or something. And you can see here, this is another kind of heads. This is work too. Let's start building the hookah. So first of all, you fill this water like I talked before, and make sure the end of the body in a range of 2 centimeters or 1 inch from the surface of the water. Okay, so we have this body. We put it inside the glass, like you see, like this, and you set it. Okay, now we have the glass, the body, and the water. Next thing, you get the plate, you put it in the top, then you get this plastic piece and you put it on the top so the head can go over it, and there's another plastic piece that goes for the hose here. So you get it, you put the hose inside, and you set the hookah. Now you have the body completely built. Okay, so this step is how to make the head. Like we said at the beginning, we need wide head, we need to be a deep, and it have the holes on impacts here. This what make it a good head, or there is another style of a good heads like this one, this is the modern style, and it's really good. You can use this one too. Okay, so first thing, you have to take معسل or tobacco and you have to spread it by your hand, like just start taking it apart and throw it inside. You don't carry it like in a big chunks and throw it there. You have to keep spreading it and put it in. Like this, and take your time in this step, because this is what will decide how's your hookah gonna taste. So this is very important step. You don't shove everything inside the head, you keep spreading. And use your both hands, but for the purpose of the tutorial I'm gonna use one hand so you can see what's happening here. It's not complicated, but it's really important to have it spread and to have it turn apart. It will give much better flavor and it will last longer, and to make it more smooth. If you didn't do it like this, believe me, you're gonna smoke for like 1 minute and say, oh, I don't like this experience, I'm not gonna do it, and it will ruin all your experience. So yeah, so you got it like this and you filled it, and make sure it's not over the top and it's not empty, so it should be just reaching the surface. Okay, so you got all that. Okay, and the head looks like this. Okay, next step, I will show you how to put the aluminum foil or the headpiece on the head. Okay, so after we got the head, we take a piece of aluminum foil and we cut it in a square shape so it covers the whole head. Okay, and take it like this. Okay, put it over the hand and we make sure it's stretched. We hold it all sides, try to press it from the sides this way, like this, and we stretch it. Make sure it's all tight, like this. Turn it, hold it with your hand so it doesn't get loose. Stretch it, make sure do not have any tears, and do it like this, and start tighten it and press it from the sides, and make sure it's all pressed to the body of the head. Make sure it's all closed tight. We don't want a gap, we don't want any air leakage. So yeah, when it's tight, when it's closed, put it like this. Okay, next step is to make the holes on the head. If you start making a holes like this in a circular pattern, keep going in circular pattern around, and don't let the needle or whatever you're using, I'm using a nail now, you can use a needle, depends how you like your head, but I don't prefer the holes too small or too big. It's just that size for me is perfect, and not too many and not too few. Okay, like this, and we are done with making the head. Now it's coals time, and first thing for the coals, you have to put it on the top of the fire till it got all gray. So this one is not ready yet, as we see here, still have a black spots. Well, this one is ready, but you don't want it to be like this. This is overdone and it already kind of melted, but this will work for our purpose now. So you want it same like this. And for any hookah head you need 2 or 3, and the better to have 3 and put it on the side. So okay, so you got the coal, you put it here, okay, all the ones, you put it here, make sure it doesn't fall down or something, and you never ever use it like this. The hookah is unhealthy in the first place, and this will make it like 6-7 times more harmful. Okay, you make sure that this black spots all turn to gray. We have all the parts ready, both the head and the top. Okay, and take the coils, put them on the top in a triangular pattern. So you want each one in a different corner, far away from each other, and it's preferred to leave the coals on the head for like a minute or so before you start, and then you start smoking, and I will show you how this turned out. And I have the hookah is ready now. It's good to listen with classic Arabic music, cup of tea, and your hookah is ready, and I will show you. This is how smoke, and it can get more smoke, but can add more coals to get more smoke. And it's ready, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you know now how to make a hookah. Just to mention, this is a tutorial for my class writing. It's a writing class. They asked me to do a tutorial, and that's why I'm doing this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.